こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas de Japanese. I'm May. In this video, I'm gonna talk about manner of articulation. Campanas de Japanese. In the previous video, I talked about place of articulation. Place of articulation tells you where in the mouth you block the airflow to make a consonant sound. Manner of articulation, on the other hand, tells you how you block the airflow inside the mouth. As with places of articulation, learning manners of articulation used in the Japanese language makes it easier for you to learn how to pronounce Japanese consonant sounds correctly. So how many ways of blocking the airflow do we have to make Japanese consonant sounds? There are 6 manners of articulation in the Japanese language. Stop, fricative, affricate, tap, nasal, and semivowel. Let me briefly explain these 6 different ways one by one. First, stops. With stop consonants, you first block the airflow with your tongue or lips, and then you make a sudden release of the air. For example, the K sound, as in ka. With this sound, you push the back part of your tongue against the soft palate, and then you suddenly release the air. Ka, ka, ka. Second, fricatives. With fricative consonants, you bring your tongue very close to your place of articulation, but your tongue doesn't quite touch it. The very narrow passage between your tongue and the place of articulation causes the hissing noise like this. S, sh, s, sh. For example, the S sound, as in sa. With this sound, you bring the tip of your tongue close to the gum ridge to make the narrow passage. S, s, s. Third, affricates. With affricate consonants, you first make a stop sound, and then you quickly make a fricative sound. So affricate consonants are made up of 2 different consonant sounds, a stop and a fricative. For example, the TS sound, as in ts, you first make the T stop sound, and while releasing the air, the sound moves into the S fricative sound. Fourth, taps. With tap consonants, you literally tap a place of articulation with the tip of your tongue. For example, the R sound, as in ra, you tap the gum ridge with the tip of your tongue. Ra, ra, ra. Fifth, nasals. With nasal consonants, you let the air escape through your nose. For example, the N sound, as in na. With this sound, the tip of your tongue touches the gum ridge, and the air passes through your nose. Na, na, na. Finally, semivowels. As you can probably guess, this is literally like vowel sounds. With semivowels, you don't block the airflow with your lips, tongue, or teeth, which fit into the definition of vowels. But a semivowel itself doesn't form any Japanese sounds. It's always followed by a vowel. For example, the J sound, as in ya. With this sound, you first make the tongue position of the E vowel, and then the tongue quickly moves to make the following vowel sound. Ya, ya, ya. I'll repeat it one more time. We have 6 manners of articulation in the Japanese language. Stop, fricative, affricate, tap, nasal, and semivowel. Alright, that's it. Did you get the picture? If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。